Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth of these memory recall videos. I think you'll be into the swing of things by now, so we're just going to crack on. The only thing that I would like to mention at this point is that these videos are not designed to be done one after another. You need to leave at least a day between doing them. Otherwise, you're not going to get the maximum benefit of being able to retrieve these facts from your memory, and therefore it's not going to stick into your long-term brain. Same thing we'll do as normal though, but we will do an interleaving starter, and then we'll have our facts and formula test at the end. So here are our questions for the day. So you can see we've got another one of these where we are looking at changing things into particular powers. This time they're all in base 7. We've got some surds, a little bit trickier today, but use the same fundamental knowledge that you were doing before. We've got solving an equation with unknowns on both sides and a completing the square question. Okay, and so writing the following as in terms of a power, 49 can be written as 7 squared, and 7 to the power of 3 all to the power of 8 is the same as 7 to the 24. So adding your powers gets you to this value here. Simplifying, root 54 is the same as root 9 times root 6, which is the same as 3 root 6. And 2 root 24 is the same as 2 times root 4 times root 6, which is the same as 2 times 2 times root 6. So 4 root 6. Take one away from the other, leaving you with negative root 6. Solving, take the smallest number of x's away from both sides, leaving you with 3x plus 1 equals negative 8. Take 1 away from both sides, leaving you with 3x equals negative 9. Divide by 3, so x is negative 3. And then completing the square on this one, half the coefficient of the x term, so x plus 11 equals 2. Take away the 11 squared and bring down the 7, leaving you with this. So your final answer is going to look like this. Now it says that this equals 0. I haven't gone on to try and solve it from here, but you could do that if you want to. You'd have to bring your minus 114 across, square root it, remember your plus and minus, and then bring your 11 across. So if you wanted to have a go at that as well, feel free to do so. Then today's formula. I've kept some the same and some are different. Again, you should be in the swing of things by now. Make sure you've written these in your book, practice them, keep looking at them, and over time, hopefully by the time we get back to school, these will all be embedded neatly in your brain, ready for fast retrieval. So pause the video and answers will appear shortly. Okay, and here are the answers. So gradient of a line given two coordinates, you've got change in the y coordinates divided by change in x. Alternatively, you can have rise over run, or you can have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon, so n is the number of sides of your polygon, n minus 2 multiplied by 180, that's the sum of all of the interior angles. Area of parallelogram is base times vertical height, volume of a sphere, 4/3 pi r cubed. Distance is speed times time. So remember your speed, distance, time triangle. So speed times time, and the exact value of cos 90 is 0. Okay, give yourselves a tick for the ones that you've done, green pen the ones that you haven't, and ready for next time. Hopefully you'll get more right each time these start to appear. Okay, that's it. Keep a record of your scores, and all you've got to do is just keep trying. If you get it wrong first time, it will appear again and again and again. And as with anything, the more practice you do, the better you'll get. Okay, cheers. Stay safe. Bye.